What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. This is one of the packages that I've been waiting on. I ordered it on the 1st, I think, or the 3rd, something like that, and it finally got here. So I gotta give a shout out real quick to homeboy Ryan, who hooked me up with these. I missed out on them because I went for the triple blacks and got those instead. But yeah, you can check him out on Twitter. His name's Flying Rye Bread. I got it down here below. And you can also check out his eBay store, which is where I got these from. And you know, homeboy actually gets some heat. And from what I could tell, they're all legit. He seems like a pretty cool guy. He had some issues with FedEx. He kept me in the loop all the way through. So yeah, you can check out his eBay store. Here's the link, or here's the name of that right here, and the links in the description for both. So check him out. You know that I kind of destroyed my finger, so don't worry about that. But yeah, I'm going to do something a little bit different with this video, so let me know down in the description if you like it. I'm going to kind of, I don't know, I'm going to make it a little more interesting instead of just doing this. So let's jump into it, and I'm going to open this with a little power plug. I've been waiting on these for a minute though. Like, I've wanted these so bad, and it's been killing me inside that I haven't had them. So can't wait for y'all to see them. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. And there's the box. Size 12. Chinese New Year Ultra Boost 4.0s. And I mean, this box is kind of hot. I don't understand why it's so hot. I hate when they leave things in the truck and it, like, you know, gets hot. I hope that's what the issue is. But let's take a look at these things. Oh God! Oh shit! Oh, run the B-roll! Alright guys, so I got the fire put out, don't worry. I hope y'all enjoyed that B-roll. So you can definitely see, you know, it's a black and red knit upper. It's got the same design as the triple black 4.0s, you know, the typical 4.0 pattern, where it's kind of like little squares and all type. It's pretty bad looking. I like the look of these. Compared to the 3.0s, and I really do like the 3.0s. I like the way that looked. But this has its own special look, and I like how they're making them all look completely different, even though they look the same. It's got the, you know, bright red bottom to it. It's almost orange, like a orangey pink color. Gotta love that. And it's got that, you know, black torsion system in it. It's got the best part of it is the fact that they didn't put that cardboard on it. It's actually got the plastic shell like normally, and it's got the plastic cage and not that knitting. Like I wasn't a fan of that of the triple blacks. It's got the Chinese symbol right here, like typical Chinese New Year symbol. And it's surrounded, it's basically being eaten by, like, I don't know, lion or dog teeth. I think we're in the year of the dog now, so it could be dog teeth. Either way, they're sharp and scary. The interior, as well as the laces, have this kind of camo print on it. Looks pretty cool. You can take a look at that and let me know. But it's on the insole, it's all over the inside of it. It could be like bamboo leaves or something like that. But I cannot wait to see what these look like on foot, so let's check that out. They have the same feel as, you know, the 4.0s and whatnot there. If you get, you know, I'm a 12, so a 12 fits and feels good. The 2.0s, it was slightly bigger by like 0.2 of an inch. These start off snug and stretch out. So it's just like the multicolor 3.0s. They stretch out, believe me. So don't think when you try on a 4.0 that, you know, you got the wrong size and get bigger, because you'll probably end up regretting it. It's got the same quality and craftsmanship as every other one. Amazing. Like, I haven't gotten an Ultra Boost yet that has been bad quality. And what they say about all Boost is made differently is true, because I've gotten a few pairs of Boost that were a little off, and I've gotten some that were amazing, and this is one of those amazing feeling ones. It's just super squishy. So I hope y'all like it. I think they look awesome on foot. Make sure to check out, you know, my last video on those Jordan Westbrooks. You definitely want to check that out. I hope you like the new style of video. I got some more things coming, so make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I have a video coming in the future talking about a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a pair of shoes, and I've also got an idea for my 500 subscriber count to let y'all design a sneaker that I make on either Nike or Adidas or something like that. I'll make a poll with the style of shoes, the colors, everything else, and whatever gets the best choices, I'll make that shoe and unbox it on this channel. But yeah, as far as the giveaway is concerned, I'll have another video with that, so make sure to subscribe so you can stay in the loop for that giveaway. When you see the title for a giveaway, make sure to click on it. All the info will be in there in that video. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to follow me on social media. Links are in the description, and I hope y'all have a good one. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.